What is up, my butter biscuits? So in today's video, I do have another Chisme video for you guys. I know it's getting a little overwhelming at this point. There's like a lot of drama videos being made these days, not just by me, but all over the internet in general. And I am getting your guys' requests. Don't think that I'm like sweeping it under the rug. I do see the request for more makeup content, which I do have coming. Just to let you guys know, I did say it in my previous video or on a live video. I'm really not too sure, but I did purchase the brand new ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation, which I am going to be doing a review on this week, as well as I'm going to be doing a eyeshadow for beginner. Like, I'm going to do a super step-by-step easy tutorial on how to do eyeshadow for beginners, because I know a lot of the looks that I do within my palette reviews or tutorials are very dramatic and kind of hard to do. So I'm going to do something that's really easy and kind of like take it back and make it very easy for you guys to follow along and learn. So hopefully you guys would be interested in that as well too. Those videos will be coming up this week. So like I said, I am getting the request. Don't think that I'm just sweeping it under the rug. I will definitely be doing more makeup content. I also wanted to say too, I know a lot of you guys may not be interested in the cremated palette. However, within that video, and I just uploaded it 2 days ago, you guys can go ahead and just fast forward to the tutorial portion in that video, just in case you guys do want to learn how to do like a cut crease or like a winged out look or a smoky look, and not really focus necessarily on the review, but on the tutorial portion. So you guys can check that out for the time being, and then I will be working on those other two makeup videos that I will be having up this week. Like I said, please feel free to leave requests of product reviews. I love doing product reviews. If there's anything on the market that is like in the drugstore family or, you know, affordable, like don't be requesting for me to do no Tom Ford foundation review, because I ain't spending no $88 on a foundation. But you know, let me know, and I'll definitely look into doing that, because I do love doing reviews. And like I said before, I do want to do more makeup related content on my channel, because I know the drama is just like, it's never ending. But that leads us into today's video. We're going to be discussing James Charles and him getting paparazzi'd and actually talking to them and giving a little bit of something about Shane Dawson. So I'll go ahead and play that clip in today's video, and then we'll conversate about it. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so that way you guys get notified when I upload a new video. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, because I would really appreciate that. It does help me out. So just leave a little like. Anyways, let me shut up and let's go ahead and get into it. All right, y'all. So a couple days ago, ironically enough, James Charles tweeted out about this incident that I'm going to play the clip for you guys. He says, "I always get paparazzi'd at the worst times, LMAO. It's 97 degrees out and I'm literally wearing a hoodie and sweats, melting while waiting in line at a food truck." So this channel actually came forward and posted this video. They had came up to him. They're called Celebrity Living, and they kind of like did a little interview about him, asking about, you know, the Tati situation and about Shane Dawson, and he comments on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and play that clip for you guys, and then let's go ahead and talk about it.
What's up, James Charles? How you been?
Hi, how did you even find me here?
I spotted you guys driving. I was like working on someone else, and I saw you guys. I saw you in the car. I was like, that can't be James Charles.
I'm good, how are you?
I'm pretty good.
Good, glad to hear it.
Yeah, so Kanye's running for president. Do you think he'll make it? Like, who should be his vice president?
I have absolutely no idea. I have not a single clue in the entire world.
You haven't seen the tweet yet?
Oh, I saw the tweet.
Okay.
I just have no idea what's gonna happen with
Okay. So you did Addison Rae's makeup and Charli D'Amelio. Who's next? Who do you want to do next?
I have no idea. Right now I had a lot of collabs planned, but obviously COVID put a little bit of a wrench in my pipe. I have a really fun video coming out on Tuesday. With my good friends.
Yeah.
I don't want to spoil anything just yet, but it's a fun one. And it's something very TikTok related, so you'll love it.
Okay, can't wait to see it. But who would be your dream collab, like for makeup, like doing makeup on YouTube?
There's a bunch of people that I want to do. I've been talking to Doja Cat forever. Once again, quarantine kind of put a wrench in things. I would still love to do Demi one day. Ariana will be a dream come true. So, yeah. All
right, that's dope. So there's a lot of drama going on in the makeup YouTube community.
As always.
What do you think? Why is there all this drama going on in the YouTube beauty community?
Who knows? I'm just staying out of it, minding my own business. Just moved into a beautiful new house. I have great friends around me. Waiting for my nice food on a Sunday afternoon.
Congrats on your new house. I saw you got a new house. Was that last year or this year?
Just a few weeks ago.
Just a few weeks ago.
Right now.
Okay. So Shane Dawson, crazy stuff going on. You think he should be forgiven for what he said and stuff like that?
I don't want to talk about anything in relation to him.
I know, like back in the day, like humor was a little bit dark. That was more accepted, but now it's like less acceptable. So do you think people should like overlook that, or?
I think it should always be looked at on a case-by-case basis and make sure that people are changing actively. That's kind of what I've always believed in. So.
Okay, have you talked to him ever since that whole thing happened? You guys haven't spoken? All right, so Tati came out with a video and said that they were trying to like gang up against you.
Anything in regarding to the drama.
Okay. Well, we won't talk about that.
All right. So as you guys can see there, he kind of doesn't really want to talk about it. However, he does give, you know, a little bit. He's like, you know what? I feel like everything should be looked at by a case-by-case basis, and as long as people are actively growing. And I think this is actually very mature of him to say, because given what he went through last year, he could very easily say, oh, cancel him. However, I do think that he was a little bit humbled from that situation, and it kind of taught him to realize, you know what? Everyone makes mistakes. Everybody goes through things online. This whole like witch hunt cancel culture like really goes down for everybody. I feel like there's like really not one person who's really big that didn't have any type of scandal, you know. This just goes to show everybody that everybody is human. We all make mistakes, we all mess up, we all do dumb things. And I like that his response was very much like that, because he very easily could have been very immature about the situation and said some really shady things. However, he didn't, which I do think that he's learned from that. However, there were people before saying though that he like has a publicist and like a PR team to actually coach him how to handle situations like this, which leads me into my question. Do you guys think that this was like a staged paparazzi? Because is it just me, or is it like just his personality where he's like, how did you guys find me here? How did you know I'm here? I'm like, I don't know. It just seems so fake to me. I was just kind of like, was this a real little paparazzi thing, or was this like fake? I don't know. It was just too ironic for me. Anyway, so at the time of this actually coming out, it has actually been 1 week since Tati's video, and a lot of people are wondering, well, like, what's the next step? Is Jeffree Star ever going to come out of hiding? What is he going to do? I have quite a few questions for you guys regarding this. Do you guys feel like Jeffree Star is, because this whole like email rumor is coming out, I've been watching on other drama channels here on YouTube saying that people are emailing them saying that Jeffree Star hired this like publicist or this like cleanup crew, and I guess the person that they were saying within this email has denied any affiliation with Jeffree Star. He's not working with him. However, people are saying, oh, he hired this cleanup crew to help him clean up the drama. This leads me into my question of, where do you guys think this is going to go? Do you guys think Jeffree Star is going to come out with another video? Do you think he's going to stay away from the internet for a while and then just come back like nothing happened? I don't know if you guys remember, he was supposed to be coming out with his summer collection this month, so I don't know if that's going to be pushed back. What's going to happen with that? Because I'm sure production has already started. I'm sure that it's probably already sitting in the warehouse. So I wonder what he's going to do with his like next collection. Is he just like gonna waste it? I don't know. I'm really curious to see, because like I said, it has been a week since the Tati upload, which, by the way, I don't know if you guys saw, I'm pretty sure you guys saw because this is like a couple day old news. James Charles and Tati ended up following each other on Instagram. So I'm really just intrigued by this whole situation, because a lot of people were asking, well, James Charles is over here saying that he would have came on video with Tati. How come they're not like supporting each other publicly? And now it did come out that they're actually following each other on Instagram. So I guess they're like in cahoots again, but y'all, this whole situation is really just a mess. That's why I keep getting DMs every single day to comment on it. However, I just feel like it's just so messy and we don't know all sides of the story. Because I just want to say, from my personal opinion, this is just my opinion, I feel like Tati, her hands aren't as clean as she's making them out to be. That's why I do say I feel like her video has a lot of thumbs down for that reason, because a lot of people are like, girl, you started this drama and now you're just trying to clean it up and like throw it off to Shane and Jeffree because they're in the hot seat right now. And I do have to say, that's kind of my opinion right now. I feel like all of them, in my personal opinion, are a little bit shady, a little bit grimy, and have done some messed up things. So I'm just waiting to see what the rest is going to come out with, because there's just so many questions that need to be answered as of now. And I would like to comment on it, because trust me, you guys, I am reading your guys' DMs, but I just feel like it's just all a mess right now. It's like, what do you say about this situation? Because like I said, there's just so many missing pieces, and Jeffree Star hiding this whole entire time, just, it says a lot. You know, I feel like during this situation, he hasn't, you know, tried to help Shane out in any type of way. If you guys did not see, he was out there taking pictures with fans and buying a new car while Shane Dawson was literally losing his mind on the internet. And I'm just kind of like, y'all, I would feel really lonely if that was my friend. I would be like, wow, you know, how can you be out there doing that while I'm literally losing my mind right now? But I don't know. It says a lot about him. Anyways, you guys, let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions on this whole situation. Do you guys feel like James Charles is going to like move forward and make a video and say his truth yet again? Or is he just going to kind of let it go? In my personal opinion, I feel like he's going to let it go. I feel like it was really rough for him last year that he's like, you know what? I don't want to go back into this again. I'm not trying to like get involved in anybody else's business. Let me just let it go. And people are just going to do what they're going to do. And let me just continue on making my videos. You know, I think that that's best for him, because he's been doing doing really good, and I do think that Instant Influencer was a really big success. I actually enjoyed the show myself, so I think it's best for him to just kind of like lay low. Also, what about Jeffree Star? Do you guys feel like him and Shane are gonna end up like flipping on each other? Do you guys feel like they're gonna end up backstabbing each other? What do you guys think about that? A lot of people are saying that this is just a rumor, you guys, so I guess I shouldn't really comment on this, but a lot of people are saying that there is somebody within Killer Merch that wants Jeffree to drop Shane. However, he won't drop Shane. So I'm just really curious to see the way this is going to go. But until then, I'm gonna keep my comments to myself because, like I said it 3 times in this video, there's just so many missing pieces that I feel like we can't really, you know, judge as of now. It's just all speculation. So anyways, y'all, let me know your thoughts and opinions on that, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.